another episode of Chasing Havasu. Today we're going to be looking at a 64 GTO recreation. When I say recreation, basically that's an old car and a new car merged together to make a new old car. Sounds simple, right? That's what it is. Let's check it out. Hey, this GTO is pretty awesome. Let's hear what the owner has to say about it.
My name is Mike Kramer. This 64 GTO recreation was done by a gentleman named Steve Dish out of Colorado. Took a 2006 GTO, which was the last year that it was built, put a 64 GTO body on it. 5 inches different in the wheelbase, so there's a little bit of modification that had to be done, but the 06 only had 3,000 miles on it. And after he built it, he drove this car about 90,000 miles to all these car shows. So it's a driver and just a pleasure to own and drive
Well, hey, that's a wrap. Another episode of Chasing Havasu. And I don't know if you've been watching this video in the background here. This is just something else that I do shoot. You know, I make all kinds of cool videos. Make sure to check it out. Subscribe. Check out my profile. Thanks for watching. See you again next time.